Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Clan. Today we'll be talking about breaking news that Hedera has a new governing council member. On the 27th of October, the official Hedera Twitter page tweeted details in regards to the largest bank in Southeast Asia, DBS Bank, becoming a Hedera governing council member. DBS Bank is the leading financial services group in Southeast Asia and is headquartered and listed in the Marina Bay in Singapore and has a presence in 18 markets in the region. DBS Bank has a total asset holding approximately worth $518 billion as of the 31st of December 2017. DBS Bank has one of the best credit ratings amongst Asian banks, whereby the leading credit rating agency, Moody's Investment Services, has rated DBS Bank with a credit rating of AA1. The rating has given DBS Bank the award of being the safest bank in Asia accolade for 6 consecutive years from 2019 to 2015. DBS Bank's admission into the Hedera Governing Council will see the bank actively become a recipient of a Hedera Consensus node. DBS Bank's control of a Hedera node will lead to the bank contributing to providing consensus to the Hedera network, which in turn will lead to network activities such as transaction validation to arise. In response to this new partnership, the Chief Information Officer and Head of Technology and Operations at DBS Bank, Jimmy Ng, stated, "DBS is pleased to join some of the world's most established organizations on the Hedera Governing Council as we collectively seek to uncover the vast potential of blockchain and distributed ledger technologies. We have been leveraging emerging technologies to reshape the future of banking and in recent months brought to market a number of innovative offerings powered by blockchain to help our clients seize opportunities in the new normal. We look forward to joining our peers on the Hedera Governing Council in exploring further use cases that bring tangible benefits to our stakeholders." As well as DBS Bank becoming a Hedera Governing Council member, DBS Bank is already involved in blockchain and DLT initiatives. DBS is actively involved in the leveraging of blockchain technology to offer solutions in areas including cross-border payments and settlements as well as trade financing. One such initiative is the joint DBS Bank and JP Morgan venture, which will see the financial institutions actively leveraging blockchain technology in global payments and interbank transactions. Dubbed Partois, the new firm will use blockchain technology and digitize commercial bank money to reduce the existing friction in cross-border payments, trade transactions and foreign exchange settlements. Such functionality would enable instant settlement of payments for various types of transactions, helping banks overcome global payment-related challenges in the current financial system. DBS Bank is also working alongside the agricultural commodity and food solution provider AgroCorp in providing developments in blockchain-based electronic platforms to digitize the entire process for commodity transactions. The initiative will see the replacement of paper contracts in regards to agricultural commodity transactions with blockchain-based digital agreements secured by digital signatures. Contract flows are set up so that each counterparty can upload and view trade documents. Any update or change needs to be validated by all the counterparties, which allows the contract to be executed automatically while ensuring the validity of the transaction. The digitization of records in regards to commodity transitions will see supply chain participants, namely buyers, being able to look into the sources of their commodities, learn details of their trade more easily, and trace the information to achieve sustainability objectives. DBS Bank's strong presence in the DLT sphere is extremely exciting for the Hedera network as a whole. DBS Bank's wide-scale use of DLT, and with DLT growing in influence across all industries, DBS Bank's association with Hedera, and with the bank's direct control of a Hedera node, DBS Bank may seek to directly incorporate and facilitate the Hedera network into a number of use cases. Furthermore, with DBS Bank being a leader in DLT initiatives, this partnership will see Hedera gaining exposure to a number of industry research leaders and experts in DLT at the bank. This could aid Hedera in furthering developments in its infrastructure and aid the network in providing the ability to implement features to enable cross-border payments and digital platform formations. DBS Bank's partnership with Hedera as to a number of banks and financial institutions which are Hedera Governing Council members. Africa's largest bank, Standard Bank, the oldest bank in South Korea, Shinhan Bank, the Australian payment processor giant EFTPOS, and the Fortune 500 company FIS Global, which offers financial products and services, are all Hedera Governing Council members. Hedera's strong links to a number of world-renowned financial institutions may be indicative of Hedera making headway into financial services, and in turn, Hedera may potentially become a future network which financial institutions leverage for their activities, namely cross-border payments. Hedera's direct links to banks is coupled with Hedera's network being set to be leveraged in the MTech-run CBDC pilot schemes in Nigeria and Ghana, whereby MTech have been tasked to build a CBDC sandbox for the respective countries' central banks. MTech has directly confirmed that they will be leveraging Hedera's consensus service for CBDC developments. These exciting initiatives implicitly indicate Hedera's strong influence in the future of global finance, and in turn increases in the utility of the Hedera network. What are your thoughts on DBS Bank becoming a Hedera Governing Council member? Do you think the Hedera network will become a hotspot for financial services in the future? Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.